Welcome to 736 Wickham Ridge Road. Community perks include pool, walking trails, and more. Private wooded views, there's no rear neighbors. You have a charming townhome in prime apex location in Pemberley, right off of the highway. Bright entry dining area with new LVP floors. Stylish guest bath, convenient laundry available. Cozy living room with backyard access to your nice wooded back lot. Modern, luxurious kitchen that you're going to love. Granite, nice gas stove, stainless steel appliances. And there's your serene backyard patio with wooded views. Spacious primary suite with sitting area. And then there is a second ensuite, perfect for guests or roommates. Come check it out today. If you'd like to set up a tour, call Jenifer Salter with eXp Realty. The number's included.